Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 7th March current affairs. Welcome to our channel, Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, shadow pad. Here this shadow pad is a type of Trojan horse, or it is like a virus. Then why it is in use? Why? Because Maharashtra Power Minister announced that a state cyber cell probe had found 14 Trojan horses in the servers of Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company. Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company. These malwares or these Trojan horses had the potential to disrupt power distribution in the state. This Trojan horse have the potential and had the potential to disrupt the power distribution in the state. Here, what is the definition of this shadow pad? That is, shadow pad is a backdoor. Here, this is a backdoor Trojan malware, which means it opens a secret path from its target system to its command and control servers. To its command and it controls the servers. Then there may be a shortage or there may be a disrupt of power in the states. That's why Maharashtra Power Minister has announced that there may be they had found that 14 Trojan horses. That's why this shadow pad is in use. Next one, Gahirmata Marine Sanctuary. Why it is in use? Here this is located in Orissa. Here there is a 3-member panel constituted by the Orissa High Court made a field trip to the Gahirmata Marine Sanctuary here and assessed the measures taken for the conservation of endangered. Here underline the word IUCN status of this olive ridley is endangered olive ridley sea turtles. There are many number of olive ridley sea turtles in Gahirmata Marine Sanctuary. That's why there is a action followed by February report on Online Environment magazine, which said 800 olive ridley turtles have died since January due to the negligence of State Forest and Fisheries Department. It is due to the negligence of State's Forest and Fisheries Department. That's why there is a 3-member panel constituted by the Orissa High Court. In this situation, Orissa High Court can interfere in the conservation of these olive ridley turtles. That's why because there is importance. Why? Because that much importance, because it is a endangered one. Next one, OCIs, that is Overseas Citizens of India. Here Ministry of Home Affairs has reiterated through a gazette notification that OCI card holders can lay claim to only NRI, that is non-resident Indian quota seats in educational institutes based on all India entrance tests such as NEET, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced or other such all India professional tests. All are other such professional tests. Here the notification also said that OCIs, that is Overseas Citizens of India, are not entitled to take any, not entitled, here important word, that is not entitled to take any missionary, mountaineering, journalism, tablighi activities without prior permission from the government. That's why this gazette notification of this OCI is very important. Why? Because there is a note about these missionaries, mountaineering, journalism and tablighi activities. Next one, NSL, that is NSL Bhatta. Here NS Lakshminarayan Bhatta. Here he is popularly known as NSL in Kannada literary world. But Bhatta has been a household name through his Bhagavad Gita lyrical poems and is known for his contribution to modern Kannada poetry, critical works and translations. Here he has translated about 50 of William Shakespeare's sonnets, the poetry of T.S. Eliot in Kannada. That's why we have to remember this person. Why? Because yesterday he died at the age of 84. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear Up for Group 1 exam.